Still on the topic of adverbial expressions, here we are still talking about adverbs. On the examples, John passed the test by studying hard, and John learned English by practicing a lot. Here, the adverbial expression are used to talk about how or ways. Jadi, di sini adverbial expressionnya ini digunakan untuk membicarakan cara bagaimana seseorang mencapai sesuatu, like that. Bagaimana dia bisa lulus tes by studying hard, dengan belajar sungguh-sungguh. And then John learned English by practicing a lot. Bagaimana dia belajar bahasa Inggris? Dia belajar bahasa Inggris dengan banyak berlatih, like that. So here you use the structure by plus ing verb expression. Di sini jika ingin menggunakan verb atau menambahkan verb, you have to use verb ing. Jadi by talking a lot, for example, or maybe by buying a lot of albums, for example. Jadi setelah by ini, jika ada verb, dia harus verb ing. Ingat-ingat ya. Compared to the previous adverbial expressions, if it is noun phrase, you can just add the noun phrase. You don't have to modify anything. But then if you want to use verb expression, make sure that you are using a verb ing. On the comment, you can see the verb which follows the preposition by must have the ing ending. Jadi seperti yang saya jelaskan sebelumnya, untuk verb yang mengikuti preposisi by ini, dia harus mempunyai ending ing atau gerund. On the note, the above comment applies to the other prepositions also, in, of, form, and etc. Jadi untuk komen di atas ini bahwa semua preposisi itu jika diikuti oleh verb, dia harus verb ing. In acquiring the knowledge, for example. In accepting the gift, for example. From swimming a lot. Jadi dia itu verbnya harus verb ing setelah preposisi-preposisi ini. In general, any verb which follows a preposition must have the ing ending. Jadi pada umumnya semua verb yang mengikuti preposisi dia harus mempunyai ending ing. But then this comment does not apply to infinitive expressions such as to find a chair. Jadi ini tidak berlaku untuk to infinitive expression. Contohnya to find a chair ini. To find ini adalah to infinitive ya. Jadi to di sini itu dia bukan preposisi, akan tetapi dia adalah to infinitive. To find a chair. Makanya dia tidak menggunakan verb ing atau finding. So, if you have any question, please go back to the group. Well, actually, the adverbial expressions that we have learned in this lesson, there are, I think, 4. The first one is to talk about purpose, tujuan seseorang melakukan sesuatu. And then the second one is means of communication and transportation. Orang kemana naik apa atau berkomunikasi menggunakan apa. And then the third one is instruments, orang melakukan sesuatu dengan bantuan alat apa, like that. And then the fourth one is adverbial expressions to talk about ways. Jadi orang melakukan sesuatu atau mencapai sesuatu itu dengan melakukan apa, bagaimana caranya, like that. Okay, do you have any questions so far? If yes, please go back to the group and we will discuss it further.